Ready to become a food delivery ninja, scoring the best deals and widest selection by using DoorDash and Uber Eats at the same time? First, fire up both apps while you're DoorDash and Uber Eats while you're on your devices. The key is having them both running so you can compare simultaneously. Now, search for the restaurant you're craving on both apps. Pay close attention to the total cost, including delivery fees, service fees, and taxes. While you're these sneaky additions can make a big difference. Next, hunt for those promo codes. DoorDash and Uber Eats are constantly offering deals. Check for app-specific promotions, email offers, and even third-party coupon sites before finalizing your order. Consider staggering your orders too. Place an order on one app while browsing the other for your next meal. This can help avoid getting overwhelmed by too many deliveries at once. Think long-term. Each app has loyalty programs that reward you with points for every order. Strategize which app to use based on your loyalty status and potential perks. Boom! By mastering the art of dual app delivery, you'll save money, discover new restaurants, and become the ultimate food delivery boss. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more side hustle tips.